Yo guys, it's Mr. Exploit here, and in today's video I'm literally going to be showing you how to do the Volcano key system, because I see so many people complaining about this on a daily basis. So Volcano currently uses work.ink, and when you launch Volcano, this is what it will look like. It will say please input your key. You click on get key and it will take you to this link right here. Now first things first, if you have any kind of browser extensions and you keep getting blocked from work.ink, my first recommendation is to try using an incognito browser. So I'm currently using Chrome as my main browser. To open an incognito window, I just right click the Chrome icon, click on new incognito, paste the key link and try it on this browser instead. If you still have issues with being blocked by work.ink, then I recommend downloading another browser like Firefox or whatever browser, as long as it's a different one to Chrome, and then try it on a different browser. If you're still having issues, then it's possible that you have a VPN which is blocking work.ink, so make sure that you have no VPNs enabled while doing the key system. So I'm just going to go ahead and disable one of my ad blockers real quick before we go into this, and let's do this. So click the capture, continue with work.ink. There are a few pop ads, so make sure you actually get to the work.ink website, and it's very simple. So this is what I like to do. So head over to your search bar, search for control panel. This, trust me, this will make life much easier, and this is my preferred way of doing the Volcano key system. It just makes it easier, speeds things up. You guys will have to scroll down, click on the capture again, go to destination, wait 10 seconds, click continue with ads, and then you will have to click go to destination one more time, wait for the security verification to pop up. Okay, security verification is complete. We can now proceed to the first checkpoint. So you will notice that you cannot click decline. No matter how many times you click decline, it will not advance to the next checkpoint. So you do actually have to do whatever these offers say. So right now at the time of recording, I have to install Opera and I have to install a Better Deals Chrome extension plugin. So we're going to start with Opera browser because that's the most annoying one to install. Literally just install it, and as soon as it's installed, refresh this window right here and you can uninstall it straight away. So that is literally the strategy for getting through this key system right now, and you guys are about to see it come into effect. So wait for Opera to install. Okay, so once Opera has installed, you will see that it will take you over to the next task, which is to install the Chrome extension. So close this down. You can now uninstall Opera, and the only thing left to do now is install Better Deals Chrome extension. So simply install it and then remove it straight away. Now if we head back to the checkpoint, you can see we've completed checkpoint 1. If we click on go to destination, it should now allow us to go to checkpoint 2. I'm going to record this entire thing and speed it up for you guys so you can see that I'm not skipping anything, and it does indeed work for me. Okay, so we should have completed the key system now. There we go, your key. It's giving me the key. It doesn't tell me how long the key will last for. I will have to double check how long the work.ink keys actually last for, and I will put it on the screen right now because I will find out before I post the video. So that is literally how you access the Volcano key system with work.ink. I hope this has cleared things up for people, and if you have any issues, please comment them down below, and you can also join my Discord server, or you can even ping me in the Volcano server. My username is Chef. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if this video helped you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.